All right, I am here at my distributor. We are picking up 3 10x10s and 1 12x10. We are going to be loading them up and taking them to Chicago. So this is the beginning of our trip, and here we go. So in a lot of my videos, I'll say, today we're installing these doors, and this is a team effort, and I feel like, we're give credit where credit's due. And I just wanted to introduce you guys to my partner. This is Grace. See, she's begging for attention. She's pretty upset that she hasn't been on Facebook yet. So couldn't really do it without her. She's taught me everything I know. So she's a little shy.
What are you doing, goofball? Good to see Papa. Oh, big stretch. Hard day on the job, huh? Oh, yeah. Good girl. He's my good girl.